for a brighter season.
Need to lay a burden
down.
Maybe that should be the name of our song. There's no such thing as a curse. Oh! Touch your toe, touch the sky, touch your toe, touch the sky. That's a coincidence. I'll try your guitar. Oh my! Coincidence? Also, a coincidence?
Always being bothered, nevertheless. Keeping me out of prison and putting me to the test. They ask me what is happiness, write it on the check. They feel it on the sweat when your dick is in the breast, Give me a sec, look. Death is what it seems. Why is it so vividly portrayed within the dreams? We are understanding the devil's running its course. Takes is not received, it's coming straight from the source. Remorse at this time becomes a factor. Minds full of greed, disposing of benefactors. Backwards, pace backwards after the superficial. All of the chains start to surface upon the earth. Prized possessions, they incinerate. This is far beyond any director tried to demonstrate. See the record, here's the record, take the record, set it straight, perplex. Only receive slumber when that heaven gates. And this is fairly simple.
Does what you're saying have
Contemplating conversations, hesitate and navigate you in the trace. Back to a time where minds were just matter. If we stated opinions of bones would begin to shatter. It didn't matter back then because there was no reacting, acting up. Except your black. Accurate, fact from the black. In fact, if you thought that, you should disregard that. All facts. Non-accident. Hungry and young Dexter. My hypothesis is death is shit. I gotta be alive in this life. Honestly, strike is strike.
Don't step on any cracks! Dawn is the number 13! What's the answer, 13? It's not. Phew, you did it! Maybe the universe isn't out to get us. What was that? It was the universe! Fake news? That sounded like you danced it.
No way! You're amazing, Amelia! Your dumb hands are so proud of you.
You're not stuck. Doesn't matter.
Alright, time to get back to doing damage. Here we go! Here we go! Alright,
Maybe did I too tight?
Red Rapper Bros Lucky Bandage and a blood and sweat stain that formed a D. There's no D on this one.